Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So to start, we're using the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette in the shade Limit, and I'm just using that as my transition color with a blending brush. Switching to the BH Party Girl palette, I'm going to be using that pinky red as another color in the crease and putting it a little bit above the crease. I know this palette's super old, but it's a goodie. And then I'm taking the red that's right next to that one and popping this into my crease, and I pretty much go back and forth with the shade until I'm happy with how intense it is, and it takes a lot longer off camera. I did about, I want to say, a good 15 minutes of blending here, trying to get it to the shade that I wanted. And then I'm going to be going in with the brown in the palette and putting this in my outer corner, and I go in with this, then in with the red, then in with this, then the red, just until I can get the intensity that I want. And then to create that really sharpness, I'm going in with my NYX HD Studio Concealer, and I'm carving out where I want to put my next shade. And for the next shade, I'm going to be going into my Modern Renaissance palette. This is a super unnecessary, like, you don't need another palette for this, but I'm just going to be taking the Vanilla-y shade in the palette and popping that right over where I put the concealer, and then blending it with the red, and then blending it with the Tempera color until I'm, again, happy with how it looks all blended. Now once I'm done with that, we're going to move on to the lower lash line. I'm going to be taking that same brown that we used before and popping that on my lash line, and then I'm going to be blending it out with the red color that we used before. And then as the last step for eyeshadow, we're going to be going in back into the Naked 3 palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Dust, I believe it's called. I'm not totally sure. And I wet my brush with my Smashbox Photo Primer to make this really pop. Also highlight my nose with this color. Then I'm going to go in and curl my eyelashes and put some mascara on. And right before I do my falsies, I line my waterline with this nude liner that I got in an Ipsy bag a while ago. And then I apply my false lashes off camera, and then after that we're going to highlight with the NYX Strobe of Genius palette, and I'm taking that upper right color, which is a pinky shade, and just popping that on my cheekbones. And then for blush, I'm going to be going in with Milani's Luminoso. I love this blush, seriously, it's one of the best blushes, and it's drugstore, the actual bomb. After that, we're going to move on to lips. I'm going to be using the NYX shade in Edis Abada. I'm honestly not going to try it. I honestly just butchered that. But it's just a hot pink. And then after that, I'm going to be going in with one of my favorite reds, which is the ColourPop Succulent. And I honestly cannot say enough good things about this. It's like the perfect red for me. And I apply that right over top. And then that is the completed look, loves. I hope you guys liked this, and let me know what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. I'll be sitting at home watching 50 Shades of Grey to prepare for the third one that's coming out. Alright, loves, have a great day, and I hope you have a fantastic Valentine's Day. Bye, loves.